Christmas Eve was celebrated with a lot of joy, while today the atmosphere is one of resilience and community spirit. Right now, I'm standing outside St. John's Cathedral in the heart of Peshawar. Families that had been gathering since dawn attended a huge prayer gathering where the civil society, government officials and military officials also participated. Despite the crisp December chill, the mood is incredibly warm. We've seen children in their finest holiday clothes and elders sharing traditional sweets with neighbors of all faiths, a true testament to the diverse fabric that define the city. Local community leaders I spoke with earlier expressed that today isn't just about religious observance. It's also a shared message of peace for the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region. The celebrations are moving from the pews to the homes, where large family feasts are already underway. Reporting from Peshawar, this is Usman Amin, Pakistan TV.
We're at the St. Lawrence Church where the morning mass has just concluded. People have just prayed and now they're greeting each other. They're looking forward to a day full of festivities and celebrations with their loved ones and their family. Christmas here began last night after the midnight mass, and what follows today will be a Christmas ball here happening in this church hall. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.